Alright, YouTubers, Mike the Car Guy here. Just want to show you guys the process of putting it back in. So, here's my head that was all messed up. I actually got all the valves back in, put it in the car, got it screwed down, bolted down, everything, put the cam in, got it all connected, timing set, everything set right as you can see. You can look at, this is the passenger side, sets at 11 o'clock. This is the driver's side, it'll set at 12 o'clock. Got my tensioners in place and everything. And you can look at these if you take them off their label. This one has the L for left, this one has an R for right. Then once I install this and put it back in the car, what you want to do is take your 18mm socket, put your crankshaft bolt in, and then you can take this. Now I'm right now resting at number 1, but you want to take this and then rotate your engine a few times. I've already did it, but I'm just doing it again right now to show you guys. But just rotate your engine over by hand, of course, at first, because you want to make sure that you don't have anything tapping. You'll know if your timing is set right and everything. Because if not, you'll hear a valve hit a piston. And it's better to do that by hand than, by the motor. So, as you can see, I've turned it all the way around. Went through the full cycle. And all my lifters are in place. So that shows you everything is working fine. You can actually see, your valves moving and everything while you're doing it. On this side, same thing, it moves. So you just want to do that, a quick run through of that, just to make sure everything's running together in sequence. You don't have any valves or anything tapping or touching anything it shouldn't. And about to get ready to go to work here at 3. So this came out this morning. Just to put the timing together and everything, and then all that looks good. So as you can see, we got a new water pump. We installed a new oil pump because that's why I'm going through all this. My oil pump gave out. You can see the old valves. all this while the motor's in the car. So don't listen to these guys saying that in order to do all this kind of stuff, you have to take the motor out of the car. The trick to getting this passenger heads off in car very easily is on your exhaust manifold. Don't try and take the loose exhaust manifold from the head. There's two bolts back there. Just pop those two bolts loose that connects the exhaust manifold to the actual tailpipe, and you just unscrew those two bolts and it comes right out. So that's the trick to that. Get the header out. Get the cylinder head out. When you look here on my motor, before that other header, before I put the new valves in, I could look here and you can see the valve sticking out the back of the lifter, of the rocker arm, roller rockers. You can see the valve sticking out the back of them. So if you can look at your roller rockers and your valves poking out the back of it, pretty sure that it's bent and it's bad. So you want to get that out of your car, especially if you're getting misfires and all that stuff, because that's how I found out about mine. I got a lot of misfires. So with that being said, guys, as you can see, the process is going along pretty good. I mean, we got brand new top end just about, with everything cleaned up and resurfaced and everything. So we got a lot of that gunk and combustion and all that stuff off of all the lifters, and cleaned all that out, cleaned out our spark plug wells, cleaned out the intake wells, cleaned the exhaust wells. And so, I mean, we're pretty much looking at, like, you know, some good refurbished heads here, which should let you go forever, man. Honestly, these motors run forever. I mean, I've had a truck. My truck had over 300,000 miles, same motor, except where it was a 5.4. Of course, it was a F-150, a 5.4. But I mean, this 4.6 is the same exact style motor. Build is just a little more horsepower than 5.4. That's all. And I hope this video helps some of you guys out, show you how to get this done, or just some quick reference tips and tools, you know. But yeah, this is it for this video. This is what I've done this morning so far. Is got the timing and all that set in, and we're ready to go. Get the cover on and get all of our gadgets back on here and stuff. And final thing we'll get to is after I'm gonna put the cover on first and everything, just so I know, not look at that then I want to mess with something else. So we'll get the cover on, get it covered up, get the pulley on and everything, and then we'll go ahead and we gotta clean the intake still. We haven't cleaned it, but it's sitting there. There's the old head. The intake's sitting there. We gotta clean it up a bit more, but I mean, other than that, I think we're gonna be pretty good with putting it all back together and getting it running again. So I'll give you guys an update on that, and within the next few days here, get ready to go to work. So it's time to go in and sit down for a while and relax. But yeah, be looking out for the next video, guys. Mike the Car Guy signing out.